As the manufacturing of various products generates a lot of waste materials that end up being thrown away, polluting our environment, sustainability and recycling must become part of our everyday lives to create a viable ecosystem, including for small and medium-sized enterprises. To enable MSMEs becoming full members of the circular manufacturing value chain, the right tools are needed. These are the tools that CIRCULOOS aims to provide. Our goal is to implement a circular, end-to-end supply chain for collaborative workflows that includes planning and execution metrics and integrates advanced and multimodal visualization and analytics. CIRCULOOS currently has 3 initial pilot projects in 3 different sectors. One of our pilot projects is in Spain, where we are exploring the potential of plastic recycling and remanufacturing. In our other pilot, we are in the Netherlands and we are looking at wood remanufacturing for sustainable construction. Our third pilot is in Hungary, where we are looking at leather waste recycling. The production of Kawani's unique products generates leather waste that is not recirculated or reused. Conversely, B&A only needs such small pieces of leather for its products. With the help of the software development company ITI Hungary, CIRCULOOS will enable the scalable collaboration and waste reuse, piloted with these 2 specific companies.
With the agile and flexible supply chain orchestration, they will refine their production processes in a holistic supply chain approach. Instead of current silos, supply chain will be optimized and waste generation will be forecasted. Digital twin will be used to visualize the waste generated and plan the products to be produced using this waste.